What's up guys, welcome to today's video. I ordered this about a week ago from swagoffroad.com. So this is something that I've wanted for a while, but just never got around to pulling the trigger on until recently. So let's open it up and you guys will see what I ordered. Okay, so we got everything unpacked and laid out on the table. You guys can see what I ordered is Swag Off-Road's Portaband table. And that is to go with my Milwaukee Portaband, which once we assemble this table, I'll show you guys how I've been using it. Because like I mentioned, I've been wanting this table for a while, but I just never got around to pulling the trigger on it. I also ordered Swag Off-Road's circle cutter attachments for a plasma cutter, because I'm going to be building a radiator fan shroud for this car. So let's set these aside for now and let's focus on the Portaband table. So I opted for the black powder coated tabletop and the zinc coated table legs. I also opted to get the miter gauge, and all of this was $204.95 American, which basically works out to about $270 Canadian. So let's put this together and see if that was money well spent. Alright, so let's open up the bag of hardware and see what's in here. I'm just gonna lay it all out on the table, make sure we have everything. Okay, so we've got all the hardware laid out on the table. I'm just going to go through what this is. So you've got a knob which is going to attach the Portaband to the tabletop. You've got the 4 cap screws as well as 4 nylock nuts which are going to attach the legs to the tabletop. And then you've got 1 nylock nut with this threaded section, which I think acts as a set screw for the tabletop. And lastly, this Velcro strip, which is going to hold the trigger on the Portaband down. Up until now, I've just been using a zip tie, and I'm looking over there because that's where my Portaband is mounted currently. So let's put the table together. I'm gonna do a time lapse. It shouldn't take too long to assemble. And then I'll pick it back up when we're going to put the actual Portaband onto the table. Okay, so we just had to mount some tires for a customer. Now we can get back to assembling the table. so now that we've got the table all assembled, that was super easy. It was just 4 bolts, and then I put the miter gauge together. I don't think you use the retaining clip for the Swag off-road table, just because if you have it in, it's not going to let you slide any further than this point. So now that this is all assembled, the next thing we'll do is take it over to a table over there, and we'll mount the porta band onto the actual table. Okay, so getting back to our porta band table, we had to stop and receive a bunch of Vibrant stuff that we're using for the 2JZ 240SS. So I said I would show you guys my porta band setup, and this is it. It's pretty sketchy, but it worked for, I guess it's been like this for about a year. Yeah, so all I really did was I took the handle off the porta band. There's a little bolt in there. I drilled okay, you can't really see that, but I drilled a hole in this, on the end of the square tube, and then bolted that into the porta band. And yeah, this is just some ghetto rigged square tubing clamped in a vise. I do have a pedal switch hooked up that I got off Amazon, and the handle is zip tied on, so when you step on the pedal, the saw turns on. Okay, so we're gonna try and put this on. Let's see. So that's pretty cool, actually. The way they cut out the top of this table, I don't know if you can see that, but this cutout actually fits right into this little spot here and kind of holds the table there. So let's put this on. Get that seated there. And then we're going to take the thumb screw, see if I can show you guys, and thread it into the table, and that is what's going to hold and secure the porta band to the actual table. Okay, and we're going to put on the fancy Velcro strap, which is a lot better than the zip tie that I was using to hold the trigger down. Look at that. Now the next thing they tell you to do is adjust the set screw so that the blade itself is straight. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I can see it. I can see there's a gap in between the actual blade and this piece of aluminum. Looks pretty good. And so Swag actually tells you there's something pretty neat with the Milwaukee porta band. You can actually store the Allen key that they provide for you for adjusting the set screw right in this spot here, so you won't lose it. Okay, so now that we've got this all set up, I'm just gonna position, or I'm gonna see where I want this exactly on this table. Alright, so that's the porta band mounted to the table, so it's nice and sturdy now. I'm gonna let you guys get a close-up of this. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Swag Off-Road porta band table attached to the Milwaukee porta band. I've got the miter gauge attachment all set up here as well, and I'm looking forward to using this. Like I said earlier, this is something that I've been wanting for a while, just never got around to pulling the trigger on it. Alright, so hopefully you guys liked the video. Stay tuned because you're going to see me use this saw on this car. Well, not on this car, but you're going to see me use it for this Vibrant stuff because I'm going to be building intercooler piping and exhaust for this car. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you enjoyed watching it, feel free to subscribe, and hopefully you guys will like the future content that I'm going to put out on this channel. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, so just one more thing. The Swag Off-Road circle cutter attachments, I didn't get to this on this video. Stay tuned. I will definitely show you guys this when I do the radiator fan shroud for that car. That's what I'll be using this for. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video.
I open box, okay, bye.
So this is something that I've wanted for a while, but just never got around to pulling the trigger on until recently. So let's open it up and you guys will see what it is. Alright, so we got everything unpacked and laid out on the table. And as you can see, what I ordered is the Swag Off-Road porta band table and plasma circle cutters. Basically, I ordered these because, like I mentioned, nope, I didn't mention because I didn't make that video. That's getting confusing. So I ordered these because I am going to be building a radiator fan shroud for this car, and I don't know how to cut circles.